Namaste student, myself Jevin Anshika Kushwaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Today's subject is microbial technology and session is distilled beverages whiskey. So we will discuss production of whiskey. So what is whiskey? Whiskey is a spirit produced from fermented grain and aged in wood. Some claim that whiskey was invented in Ireland as long as 1000 years ago and carried to Scotland by monks. What are the raw material? Whiskey is made from water, yeast and grain. The water used is often considered the most important factor in making good whiskey. It should be clean, clear and free. Now we will discuss the manufacturing process. In this, preparing the grain. The grain is inspected and cleaned to remove all the dust and other foreign particles. To all grain except barley and are first ground into meal in a grist mill. The meal is then mixed with water and cooked to break down the cellulose wall that contains starch granule. This can be done in a closed pressure cooker at temperature of up to 311 Fahrenheit and slowly in an open cooker at 212 degree Fahrenheit. So next process is mashing. In mashing consists of mixing cooled grain with malted barley and warm water. The mileage in the malted barley converts the starch in the other grain into sugar. After several hours, the mixture is converted into a turbid sugar liquid known as mash. Fermenting process. The mash or wort is transferred into a fermented vessel, usually closed in Scotland and open in United States. These vessels may be made of wood or stainless steel. Yeast is added to begin fermentation, in which the single-celled yeast organism converts the sugar in the mash or wort to alcohol. The yeast may be added in the form of new, never used yeast cell. The sour mash method is often used because it is effected at room temperature and its low pH promotes yeast growth and inhibits the growth of bacteria. The sweet mash method is difficult to control and it must be used at temperature above 80 degree Fahrenheit. Next process is distilling. The Scottish whiskey maker often distill their wash in traditional copper pot stills. The wash is heated so that most of the alcohol is transferred into vapor, but most of the water is not. The vapor is transferred back into liquid alcohol into a water cooled condenser or collected. So next process is aging. In this, water is added to high wine to reduce its alcohol content to about 50% or 60% of American whiskey and about uh, it is loose water become more alcohol. American is used wooden barrel usually made from charred white oak. So next and last process is bottling. In this, glass is always used to store mature whiskey because it does not react with it to change the flavor. Modern distilleries used automated machinery to produce as many as 400 bottles of whiskey per minute. The glass bottle move down a conveyor belt as they are cleaned, filtered, capped, sealed, labeled, and placed in a cardboard boxes. So this is all about whiskey production. Thank you, student. If you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section.